YouTube, this is the world right now at my house or hotel. YouTube. Holy. You might not able to see it, but it's raining really bad. Yeah, you can see a bit right there. Now look at over here. You can't see it. It's really bad. Yeah. So we're gonna go inside. We're gonna watch my brother. Mom, I'm gonna prank Luca. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. Hi. Okay, let's go.
I really stopped it. I was like, what the fuck?
Wait, let me see your reaction again.
Stop, man. I really stopped it.
Okay, bye. Say hi to YouTube.
Fuck you.
Okay, good. Great banter. I pranked Mommy. Ma, I pranked to Luca. I was turning off the lights on and off. He's like, what the hell? I'm gonna die. Let's go. Okay. So yeah, that's the part. One bed. And then here's another.